third anniversary. Bridge was started as an entrepreneurial venture by this young and courageous lady Seema Jaithrath. Seema took a very courageous step by leaving his stable job and started this venture. As the name suggests, the organization attempts to connect corporates and implementing organizations to work together in areas of common interest. Bridge has adopted a very sensible approach and is focusing on select areas, that is fundraising, monitoring and evaluation, and capacity building. Also, to start with, it's working with very few clients, thereby ensuring that it does not spread itself too thin. As a result, in a relatively short time, has been able to establish itself as a reliable partner to work with and has earned a good name in the sector. I have personally known Seema for many years. We were colleagues at SOS Children's Villages for a few years. She works quietly, conducts herself in a very unassuming manner, and delivers results which many times surprises the clients. I wish Bridge and Seema much more success in future. I am sure she will do extremely well.
Bridge India, as the name signifies, it works as a bridge between the voluntary organizations and the corporate, or perhaps donors, any kind of donors. As you know, this country has nearly 3.2 million voluntary organizations. In my own Niti Aayog, where I work as a member coordinator, there are 96,000 organizations who are registered on the portal. So this organization was set up by a powerful lady called Seema Jaithrath, who worked earlier in SOS and some other organizations, and now of course partly she works with us. There is a partnership between Prayas and Bridge India. Now I have seen for quite some time that this organization, Bridge India, has been able to set up a lot of funding opportunities for various voluntary organizations, and then they have organized some excellent programs also. And these programs highlight the issues concerning the various organizations in the country, the voluntary organizations, and they also highlight as to how these organizations can become better, more productive, more service oriented, and how these organizations can be supported by the corporate. As you all know perhaps that the Indian corporate has the capacity to generate nearly 26,000 crores annually. And that money should go for certain purposes under the Indian Companies Act 2013. And those purposes are well defined. They can be for children, for women, for disabled, for skill development projects, for a variety of other activities. Although recently the government has gone into it, and then a lot of CSR money is going to like PM Cares and some other government programs. But then it remains that a sizable chunk of it can still be brought to serve the people at large. So the services which can be given to the people, this country's huge numbers, the million of people who are deprived, who deserve that kind of services, they can be helped out hugely through Bridge India. Thanks, and of course kudos.